Hi, my name is Sarah Betz and I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee. I actually heard about the school through my dad. He was researching for techs and we got a 2022 Class A and had nothing but problems with it. So instead of dropping it off at the dealership and repair shops and letting it sit there for weeks, he decided to come here and just do fundamentals so he could learn how to fix things himself. And he loved it, and then he told me all about it. A lot of this was hands-on, and I'm a very hands-on learner type of person. I love figuring out how things work or why they don't work. My experience at the NRBTA was great. The classes themselves, it moves pretty fast. It's a lot of information in 1 week, but they help you through it. They make sure you understand what you're doing because they know you're sending you out to do professional work. The amount of hands-on work we get to do is so beneficial, more beneficial than anything, I think. Moving on from here, after I get my certification, I'll be going back home to Tennessee. And I'm working with my parents. We're gonna have a women-owned RV repair mobile business as well as a shop. So we'll do storage, we'll do mobile, really anything we can because we're just jumping in head first. So I would say anyone who's wanting to come to the NRBTA, just go for it, just do it. I went to college for 5 years and I've never enjoyed school as much as I enjoyed it here at the NRBTA. So if you want to do it, just do it. Don't wait. I think something that's really stood out to me the most is how supportive and kind everyone has been. I was pretty nervous coming here just because I'm young and this isn't really a female-dominated field. I figured I'd kind of be standing out, but nobody ever treated me any differently. You know, no one felt the need to hold my hand or to explain things over and over again to me. They let me do my thing, and they were so great. And anytime I figured something out, even before everyone else, they'd cheer and applaud, and it was really, really cool.